Hey y'all, it's Robin, also known as Be More Curly, and I am back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing crochet hair. I'm getting ready to go on a cruise. The cruise is actually in 3 weeks for my birthday, but I'm trying out crochet hair for the first time. So originally I planned on trying it out today and then doing it again a couple days before the cruise, but I watched a couple videos and I saw that the hair that I want to use actually looks best after 3 weeks, and the cruise is in 3 weeks. So I braided my hair down really good. I secured it really good. I just did straight backs. Yeah, so here is how my braiding is looking. I don't know if I have any thread showing at the bottom, but yes, I just did a straight back method all around so that I can do a middle part if I want. I can do side parts. Any way I want to part it, I will be able to. And I made sure that they were secure and looking good, underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start. I'm using the Freetress Bohemian Braid 20 inches, and the color is TP1B/30. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start installing that into my head, and then I will show you guys periodically. Not going to show you guys the entire time, but I'll check in and let you guys see how it's going and then the end result. Okay, this is with 1 pack of hair. I just finished putting in the first pack in the back, and this is how it is looking. So far so good. It's not too bulky. It's very light, so I'm glad about that. When I lift it up, I think I'll be able to wear it in ponytails because I can't see the bottom, so that's good. I'm really excited. I think this is going to turn out really good. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I'm officially finished my hair today. This is actually the next day. So I took my hair down this morning. Well, last night all I did was put my hair up in a ponytail, and then I put my bonnet on, and that's how I went to sleep. This morning when I woke up, I took my hair down from the ponytail, I shook it out, and I left because I had some errands to run. I came back and I did a couple more trims, basically just to make the hair frame my face a little bit more. So I am in love with this hair. Now it is a little dark because it's the color is 1B, TP1B/30. Now the 1B I believe is a jet black. I never had jet black hair in my head before, ever in my life. The closest to jet black that I've had was blue black. So getting used to the color of the hair is going to be something for me, but I plan on wearing it for the next few weeks, so I will get used to it. And I noticed that I felt like it looked better once I did my makeup. Like once I put my once I filled in my eyebrows, I felt like that made it like, the look come together with my hair, because it made my eyebrows a little bit darker. So anyways, I'm absolutely loving it. This is the hair. This is how it's looking. So I love it because I can do a middle part. I can also part it to the sides if I want, either side, and then it has like a little bit of layering going on. I may need to cut this one piece, or that's supposed to be closer to the back, but I am just so excited. I'm absolutely like in love with this, you guys. Oh, so last night I did put some mousse in it. I used the Cream of Nature mousse, and I felt like when I put that in, first of all, it smells really good, but I think that it made the hair like a tiny bit hard. I didn't go through all of my hair. I just put it on the top because I wanted to see how it would feel. And then, so where I put it, it's actually like a little bit duller there. Like the color isn't as shiny as it was yesterday, which is a good thing because it was a little shiny, and it makes it look more natural once I put that in there. But it is a little harder as well. So I think that what I'm going to do is I'll probably spritz some water in there. Not today, maybe in a couple days I'll spritz some water in there to try to get out that mousse that I put in yesterday. And if it reacts well with the me taking out the mousse from the water, then I'll probably go back in and put mousse everywhere and then spritz it out in a few days with the water again. So this is how it's looking. I hope you all like it. Again, I use the Freetress Bohemian Braid hair, and I only used a little bit more than 3 packs. So I used 3 full packs of the hair, and then I had maybe about 5 strands from the 4th pack. I purchased 5 packs altogether, and each pack was $5.99 at the beauty supply store that I went to in Texas. I think it can go up to maybe $6.99, but it's really cheap. So I brought 5 packs, and yeah, so this is how it's looking. I'm absolutely loving it, and I'm gonna go get the hair so that I can show you guys what the actual braiding hair looks like. Okay guys, so I went and got the pack of hair so you can see it more clear now. So this is what the hair looks like. Freetress Braid. It's 20 inches Bohemian, and here is the color, TP1B30. So like I said, I used a couple of extra strands, and this is one of the strands. So this is the color that I have. So you see the 1B, and then you see the brown. That's like the 30 color. And you can also see the texture. So I did separate the hair that was on top. So all the hair that is on top, I separated, and some of it around the, like around the perimeter, I separated some of that. And basically what I did when I took the hair out was, this is what I learned from watching a video from another YouTuber. When I took the hair out, because it kind of has like that plasticky look, so I did this. And that pretty much got the plasticky look out. So I just did that going across the whole hair strand, and that made it look a little bit more lifelike. See, now it doesn't look as plasticky, because if you take it straight out the pack, this is what it is looking like. Like, it's really, really shiny. It looks fake, but you can get it to look like this with just a few pulls. So I suggest if you all get this to try, then do it that way. And it didn't take too long. Like I think I said last night, I don't remember if I recorded this part last night or not, but it only took me maybe about 4 hours or so. I started around 7. Yeah, I started sometime around 7 o'clock. I finished my hair around 11. I think 11 or 11:50, something like that. It only took a few hours, but I was also watching TV. I was talking to my boyfriend. I was listening to music. I stopped to eat. So I mean, I was doing a few other things as well. So that's the reason why it took a tiny bit more of extra time. Now, overall, I do love it. I do love the look for my cruise. I think this is going to be the perfect hair for my cruise. Yeah, so I'm excited to see how it holds up. Oh, earlier today, I put it in a bun, actually, and it looked really nice in the bun. I had a few pieces of my hair in the front out, and then I just pulled it back like this. Ouch. And I had a ponytail. Oh, shoot, now it's getting stuck on my shirt. Well, anyways, I had it pulled back in a bun like this, and it was really, really cute. Look at my shirt, guys. It's hanging onto my shirt. Anyways, it was, oh, I have to get this off. What the heck? So anyways, now that I got it, I can show you guys what it looked like in the bun. It was kind of like this when I had it in the bun. And I used basically just 2 ponytail holders. I used my silk ponytail holder to go around it on the outside, and on the inside, I just like used, like I had like a big like headband, and I just used that. And I just looped it like twice. I looped it twice because I wanted it to be really loose, because I didn't want it to actually like create any dents or anything in the hair. So I kept the ponytail really, really loose. Then I just twisted the hair around, and then I just secured it with my satin, with my satin ponytail holder. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments below if you do like it, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and hit that bell button hit the bell next to the subscribe button, so that you can stay updated on all of my videos whenever I post a new video. I was trying to have a set schedule at one point. I do not have a set schedule, but I will be kicking out these videos a little bit more for you guys. I know I have not been consistent, and I'm definitely going to try to get back consistent, but this is the first step, so you guys can see my little my first crochet style. I think it is definitely an A+. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.